In this video, we're going to learn how to use the laws of logarithms to solve for equations. We have log of x is equal to 4 log of 2. So the law we're going to use is the third law, which says that log of a number a raised to power n is the same as n times the log of that number. So now let us see what we have. We have log of x is equal to 4 log of 2. So we can use this law and write 4 log 2 as log of 2 raised to the power 4. So I'm going to have log of x is the same as the log of 2 raised to the power 4. So the log of this number, that's the log of x, equal to the log of 2 raised to the power 4. It means x is equal to 2 raised to the power 4. But 2 raised to the power 4 is 16. So it means, therefore, that x is equal to 16.